Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a 2-page layout for a Christmas album. This will be Christmas scrapbook number 8 on my website, me and my Cricut. I will post a Design Space link below this video so that you can copy this layout if you like it. And I think you might because it's really cute. I was looking forward to doing this page. So these are the photos. The kids all have presents wrapped in buffalo print, and there's a moose on there. So anyway, I have two 5x7s happening on this page. So what I'm going to, I'll tell you the papers are from Craft Smart Farmhouse. That's the background paper. And that would be from Michael's. And this is Craft Smart Craft Basics. I'm using this print. That is also from Michael's. And then this is A Perfect Christmas by Lori Whitlock. Echo Park paper. And I'm using this reindeer paper. It's so cute. This paper inspired the theme for the page. I'm doing a reindeer theme on this. I just love that paper. So, first things first, I am doing Kiwi Lane on this page. So, I'm using the reindeer, and you place it on the paper you're going to use the templates that you buy. You draw it, and then you put the second one beside it, and then you mark it, and then you cut, and then you cut it with scissors or an X-Acto knife. And that's what I'm doing here. And I'm placing them at the bottom. You can place them at the sides, at the top, whatever, but I want my reindeer standing up. And then the second pattern, they come in sets of 3 with cord. You do the same thing with this, and then it opens up like that. And this is going to go behind. So I'm putting that back there. And this one, I have to tuck this down so it doesn't expose the background there. So that's my lineup. And then these I'll just match. There we go. Now, I have two 5x7s, so I'm putting one here. Like that, and I'll put one photo on there, and then I have another one which will go on this side. These I found these images in Elegant Edges. That cartridge is in Design Space at Cricut Access. All the images that I'm using on this are from Cricut Access. So, and now, because of these reindeer, I found the cutest reindeer. And this is a Miss Kate Cuttables cartridge. There are about 30 of them in Design Space, in Access, rather. So, there's the girl and the boy. I thought they were really cute. And it was just all from the paper, what I decided to do. So here, I wanted something along the sides, so I did a snowflake border. I did 2 of them, one for each side. That is, it's curling, so I'll have to glue it. But you can get the idea. And then I found a title, and this says Jolly. So I'm going to put that here, but it's not quite showing up enough. So I cut out a circle with this Creative Memories dotted leaf circle punch. So I thought maybe I'd show you how it works, since it's a new punch. I'm going to put this back here. Maybe I'll put it behind there. line that. I'm going to do it. It needs a bit of backdrop to show up, so that's why I did that. So to use this, you cut a 6-inch square of paper, and then you just push the corner in. There's a line here and a ridge and a ridge, so you make sure your paper is pulled into there, and you just do all 4 corners like this. Make sure everything is lined up properly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you just flip it over and you do the 4 corners again. Here's the tab. This goes into the corner like that. And now I just keep turning till all 4 corners are done. See? It's coming out perfectly. And the last one. So there. Now I cut these in half often, and I'll tuck them in and amongst on both sides of the page. But this time I'm just using the one. So I love this punch. It's great. Now I'm going to just get rid of this garbage. Ooh, messy. All right. I think it's, there we go. Okay. So, and I did ink the edges of the Kiwi Lane templates with my Powder Puff chalking inks from Quick Quotes. That's where I get those online. And at craft shows. Okay, now the other thing I did was I found there's a moose on this bag, and so I found an image of a moose, a silhouette, and I thought I would just put that on there. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to use some foam lifters, and I am going to lift my reindeer, and I'm going to lift the moose. Not those borders, but I will lift this jolly. It'll look better. It gives depth to the page. So I really like this page. I just had a lot of fun doing it. It was fun to design when your images are really cute. So I hope you like this too. I'll post the design space, or the design, space link below, so you can copy it if you like. Thank you for watching.